On this episode of CarJacked.
He bought me axles for my birthday.
All right, so we just had this dropped off, found it on the marketplace. It's a F350 Super Duty, and so we got a Dana 60, Super 60 in the front, and in the rear, we got a dually Dana 80. And so if you look at the specs on these axles, they are far superior to the axles that are on the dump truck. And the idea is I want to just swap these axles into the dump truck. But the dude who brought this over was like, hey, it'd be a lot easier if I just gave you the rolling chassis. Now, in the front, it's been in a wreck. You can see how the front member here got twisted and knocked off, but it might actually be worth straightening and using that F350 Super Duty chassis instead of the F6. I do not know. We'll figure it out. But that's the plan. All right, so with the new axles, what does that mean? I can get rid of the death wheels. So those are 5-bolt wheels on the dump truck that are on split rims, and those are no bueno. So I can go to a modern bolt pattern. I can go to 4-wheel disc brakes, which is also going to be better than the drums that are on there. And so I think no matter whether I do a chassis upgrade or just do the axles and disc brakes, either way it's a win all around. And this was a heck of a score. So punch that like, hit the follow, and watch us rebuild that F6 dump truck. And as always, we are pretty low rent, so we're just gonna roll this up the old mining road back to camp. Yep, whenever you're ready, baby.
I'm ready.
Oh my God, we're even gonna have an emergency brake and a trans brake.